Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.